Delo, are you doing your hair again?
Girl, yes I am.
Gosh.
This new Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. Girl, I can't get enough. It's too good. It's too good.
Hey, Delo. You still doing your hair? It looks great. Come on, we about to be late for class.
Ah, Monica. I always talk about we gonna be late for class. Girl, don't even pay attention. Ugh.
Delo always leaving her stuff out. Curl La La. Yeah, okay, that's that stuff she uses every day. Half and half. That sound like milk. Buttercream. More dairy products for your hair. I don't understand any of this. Curl La La. Isn't that stuff Delo uses?
Girl, yeah. I love my Curl La La.
I guess we'll see what else you got over here, girl.
Not on my watch. This stuff keeps my hair not free.
Oh, it is cute.
Woo, child. These curls are thirsty. Thanks to my half and half, my curls stay hydrated.
So I have to use Aunt Jackie's products to get my curl on?
Yeah, girl. Get your curl on.
We ain't trying to knock our curls out. Thank you. Girl, that ran almost took my curls out.
They still look good.
Yeah, thanks, girl. See you later, girlfriend. What in the curls and coils?
Hey, Delo. So earlier your hair looked so cute, and I went to the bathroom, and everybody else had really cute hair, and they were using Aunt Jackie's products.
yeah,
I
where they?
just wanted to be cute. I just wanted a little curl.
Oh, did you? Okay, Curly Sue, I got your curl la 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 la.
I just wanted to be a girlfriend.
I got something just for you, Miss Curly Sue. Get the oil to purify me. Get to seal it up.
Buttercream, I probably need this.
You do.
Curl balls, I probably need this too.
Absolutely.
Is this edge control? I know I need this.
Yes.
Thanks, ladies.
That ain't no problem. Ooh, give me some of that Curl La La. Yes, girl. Define those curls. You need this half and half. You gotta hydrate these curls.
You need some moisturization with this grapeseed avocado oil.
You need the avocado. Girl, do you see this curl?
Girl, your hair looks so good.
Oh my God.
Gorgeous.
Thanks, Aunt Jackie. Now I can definitely get my curl on.